Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and in this video I will be telling you guys how you can get the MIUI 12 super wallpapers on any of your Android devices. So in order to accomplish this process, the steps are very simple. Step 1 is to open your Google Chrome web browser or any web browser that you are comfortable with. First, go to the browser and visit this link which has been provided in the description. As you can see, this is the Android file host link. Just go to this link which has been provided in the description, and there is this large green color button which says click here to start download. Just click here to start download and wait until the file gets downloaded on your smartphone. As you can see, there is the primary download link. Just click on primary download. The total file size of this zip file that you are downloading is around 297 megabytes. So it includes both the Earth live wallpapers and also the Mars live wallpapers. Once the file has been downloaded successfully on your smartphone, the next step is to go to the file manager. As you can see, this is the file manager app. Just go to the file manager and go to the downloads. So here in the downloads tab, just click on downloads. As you can see, MIUI 12 super wallpaper zip file. Just click on that. There is this extraction dialog box that prompts, and just click on extract here. And once you extract it here, you will get all this MIUI wallpapers. As you can see, this is Earth super wallpaper, Mars super wallpaper. Just click on install super wallpaper Earth. Just click on install. It will take a couple of seconds and gets installed on our smartphone. As you can see, the super wallpaper Earth has been installed successfully. As you can see, the super wallpaper has been installed successfully. So this is the Earth super wallpaper. In order to set this wallpaper for our smartphones, what we have to do is long press on your home screen. Just click on this wallpaper option. Once you click on this wallpaper option, it says complete action using live wallpapers. Just click on live wallpapers. Just click on Earth super wallpaper, and it just generates the preview right now, and set wallpaper. That's it. Set on home screen and lock screen both. As you can see, the Earth super wallpaper has been set successfully. As you can see, we are in our lock screen right now. In order to check out how cool this wallpaper looks, what we have to do is just unlock your phone, and boom, as you can see, that animated Earth wallpaper will be displayed on your smartphone. As you can see, this looks really cool. This is my default home screen, as you guys can see, and when I just scroll to the different home screens or different home screen pages, I can just see how this live wallpaper is moving in itself. If I just unlock my phone, it comes like this. Thanks to Mishal Rahman, the editor-in-chief of XDA Developers, for providing us this tip about these wallpapers. If you have still not followed him on Twitter, or if you have still not visited XDA Developers, you should do it. In order to select the Mars wallpaper, what you have to do is just go ahead and see the zip file. In this zip file, just install the last one, that is Mars super wallpaper.apk. So once we have installed that APK, just long press on the home screen, click on the wallpapers, and here just scroll down and you will get the live wallpapers. As you can see, here in the live wallpapers we have the Mars super wallpapers. Just click on the Mars super wallpaper and set as wallpaper, set home screen and lock screen. So the Mars super wallpaper has been set successfully on our device. As you can see, this Mars super wallpaper has been set. Let me open the lock screen. In order to install any other Earth related wallpapers, what you have to do is just click on this, click on the forest, click on install, and wait until this app gets installed. As you can see, any other different Earth related super live wallpaper is getting installed. And another important thing is, in case you are not able to set these wallpapers onto your device, what is suggested is just go to the Google Play Store and install the Google Wallpapers application. So Google Wallpapers application natively helps you to just select the default live wallpapers to your device. So in case something is not working, just go ahead and download the Google Wallpapers from the Google Play Store. Now that we have installed the Earth Forest wallpaper, just go ahead and set the Earth Forest wallpaper from here. As you can see, we have Earth Forest super wallpapers. Just click on this and just set the wallpaper, and as you can see, we have set the earth forest wallpaper onto our device. So if you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.